Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create your own materials in twinmotion. First, go to mpncg.com. Go explore or material or assist. Download your material. Let's download this one. Press download. Go to twinmotion. Go to materials. Then press add materials. The first one is the color. Go to details. Texture. Press here. Then press open and select your color image. Then press open. The details you can and you can scale it and rotate it. The roughness, go to details, go texture, press open and select your image. Then press open. Metallic, the same. Press open. The normal map, the same. Go to details, then press open, and you can choose from these two. And here is your material. Go to roughness,